Today I will show you how to build applications in React using Vite. We will create a user profile by downloading data from JSON file. So let's get to work. First of all, we have to create application. So let's do this. In this way, we need to create it. So npm create Vite at latest will create our application. The project will be just profile because we are creating profile, user profile. So let's name it profile. We will choose React. We will choose JavaScript because we will be working no in TypeScript at this moment, but with JavaScript. And let's switch to the profile folder. Oh, we have a letter mistake. PRT file. Oh my god. PRTO file. Let's switch here. Okay, we are here. And now what we need to do, because when we create this application, okay, we have some dependencies. All these dependencies we need to have here. To have these all dependencies like type, slint, and React and so on, we just to have install node package. So npm I, it will make that our application, our node package will be installed in full. We don't push them to GitHub, but we just keep them in git.ignore file, like here, okay? And when it is installed, this is only for us. Every developer which has package.json will know what kind of dependencies there were used in this profile, in this project. Okay, so now what we have, we are going to create our application. So let's cancel this one, what we don't need absolutely. Okay, maybe let's see npm run dev, and we can see our application. All is done. This is just basic application Vite plus React. Okay, and now you want to cancel everything. Yes, and we want to return here profile. Cool. And now we don't want this one, we have to cancel this. And yes, and here we need in this folder create components, because we are going to create profile component. So first of all we need to create folder components, and here we create our profile. Okay, and we also add here CSS style, which is the most useful, model.css, and we can do that. Okay, now I have a userData.json, which I am gonna to add this. This is a userData.json, so our username, data, tag, location, avatar, stats, followers, view, and likes. And we will be using these details to download them to our application to show. Okay, oh, it disappeared, that's fine. Cool. Now we don't have anything because we canceled that one. So what do we want to have here? Here we want to have our profile. So we want to return this in our application. We need to import our profile from components profile. We have some hints, so it's very, very useful. And we need to import as well data from userData.json. Our file is userData, right? Correct. Okay, cool. And now we will return everything what we have here. Okay, so all this information you have to create here. We have to return here. So good. We want to return name, and we have hint immediately, right? Cool. But here we have username. So we need to use here a username, right? Good. Now we need to return tag. It will be data tag. We need to return as well location. It will be data location. We need to use image, which will be data avatar. Yes. We need to return as well stats. It will be data stats. Cool. So we have everything what we wanted to return in our application from JSON file. Now let's go to the Profile.jsx. Here we have to import CSS from exactly profile module CSS. We will add CSS soon. Then we need to export default, we have hint immediately, default function profile. That's correct. We exactly need to return name, tag, location, image, and stats. That's amazing, right? And when we click on it, we have return that what? Div class CSS profile, div class CSS profile, CSS description, and so on. We don't have CSS description, but we can leave it at this moment because we need to do something else. Like, let's check if we have everything what we need. Oh, what is that? Avatar. Image. Yes. And here, what we have here, let's have a look. How we wanna build this one. Let's say that we have, let's switch to the name. Let's say that we have name plus like a H1, like a headline. Tag will be tag, this is fine. Location will be location, this is fine as well. And now we have stats. Stats, let's say we want to have span followers. We can use label as well if you want to style it. Stats and followers. We want to use views, stat views, and we want to use likes, stat likes, right? Stat followers, stat views, stat likes. So it seems very, very good. I like it. We have great hints here. And now, so we need to add as well the name we have. Image is image, and we have alt. I'm not going to style this, so let's say we have profile, and let's say we have, let's say this one here, it's fine, and here you want to have container, because I created style for this one, so just to keep this, let's do that. And let me just copy and paste some CSS styles which I prepared before, just to reduce your time, save your time. And here I feel that we have a problem. We should rename this one because this is module, profile module CSS. Jesus, unbelievable. Let's have a look. We have everything here now. It's immediately. What we have here, we need to delete this one. Let's delete this one. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's refresh this one. It disappeared because it is in our application perhaps. And yes, exactly. And now we have everything what we wanted to achieve. Ta-da! And why we have this all red highlighting text? This is because ESLint inform us something is wrong. We don't need to use that, to be honest. We don't need to care about that. Let's use this line just to delete everything about it, okay? And we don't need to have think about that. There is no any problem. So in our application, we just returned our JSON file. Oh, this is good practice to keep the same style as well. Okay, cool. This is fine, this is fine. And we have all this style, which you can have a look how we created this one to achieve this view. Okay? If you like it, just like, subscribe and follow me. I will be happy to share with you more knowledge. If you have any question or you need some support, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.